everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. So today I'm going to be planning my daily Plan With Me in my undated Bloom Daily Planner for the date of the 24th is what it should be, right? Yep. Okay. So let's go ahead and start with dating that. Today I am using the Papermate Inkjoy Gel 1.0. And I've already kind of circled the things that I didn't do yesterday that I want to do, so I know what to carry over for yesterday. First, let's go ahead and start with breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I know that I'm going to be having a high point dinner because we're having pizza tonight. I just don't know exactly how many points it is for the frozen pizza that I got, so I don't know about that. For lunch, though, I do know I'm going to have some more black bean soup because that is a 0 point lunch. So I want to keep those other, breakfast and lunch to be very low. So for breakfast, I'll probably just have like eggs, yogurt, and fruit, I think. And then the yogurt will just be 2 points for that. So I'll figure out whatever the frozen pizza amount is. For my exercise today, I'm going to walk 10,000 steps. And then for today, I'm grateful for being a mom. I am very grateful for that. So the things that I am going to do today, obviously I'm going to film this daily plan with me. I'm going to upload it. We already went for our walk because we went and got my son's lunch from the school. And I need to pre-plan. And then I still need to plan with my son. And I'm going to work on my destashing today. I try to do that once a week and just go through all my leftover stickers and destash what I want to keep. I'm going to work on the closet because that's an ongoing project of ours that we got to work on every day. And then I also need to work on cleaning our bedroom. Just cleaning the areas we don't usually clean every week. And then I need to do my nails today, so let's try and go ahead and time block this because I got a lot of stuff to do and only so many hours in a day. So let's say I go ahead and start this at 10:15, and it should only take me about 15 minutes to pre-plan. My son's gonna be doing a little bit of schoolwork today. It is Friday, but so he has less homework than normal because his teacher gives him homework that's like Monday through Thursday, and then it's due Friday. So he doesn't technically have homework Friday, but we still have him do activities today since it is still like a school day. So I don't know if we will plan with him immediately after I pre-plan. Oh, but I forgot I need to film my plan with me for next week. So I can do that instead from 10:30 till 11:30. Usually takes me like an hour-ish. So then I will work on my destash from 11:30 till 12. We'll go ahead and break for lunch, and then I'll start working on the closet from 1 to 2, I probably would say, and then do the bedroom from, give myself a break, so 2:30 till 3:30. And then my nails is something I'll just do at the end of the night, I think, because it does take several hours. So I'll just want to probably start that by, I definitely want to do it after cleaning. And the question is, do I want to start it before dinner or after dinner? I could ding them up while I'm doing dinner, so I'll go ahead and say I'll start it after dinner. So let's just start my nails at 9:30 at night, I guess. I will probably be done with that by 11:30 because it takes me a couple hours. So my priorities for today are definitely to pre-plan and film. And those kind of go hand in hand. So to plan with my son and to do my nails. My nails really need an update. I would also like to make cleaning a priority, but we'll see how I feel. Anyways, so that is going to be it, I think. Let me just double check my Erin Condren. I don't have anything. Oh yeah, it is Cozy Paper Co. Okay, I'm going to write that in because Cozy Paper Co. always has like a $1 Wednesday, but today is $1 Friday because she pushed it back to Friday because she's got some really cool new foils that like color shift and like dual foils on one sheet of paper. Super cool. Glad I checked my planner for that. Anyways, so I'm gonna go and check out her $1 Friday and see what she's got. And yep, that is it for this plan with me. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel if you're not already, if you'd like to see more videos from me, since I do make these daily and I do have weekly plan with me's as well as monthly plan with me's and hauls. Anyways, hope that y'all take care. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.